Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wealth Down with me, your host, Norbert PM. Today we're going to go over a technical analysis of IBM, determining if it is a buy or sell at the current moment. In the last 5 days, IBM had a growth of 4.1% in the market, but in the last month, it has a negative 8.07%. Now, at the core, the International Business Machine Corporation, ticker symbol IBM, great company to hold long term, but not what we're doing today here. The question is it a buy at the current price? So if you take a look at current events, this week has major economic events like core inflation rate for the United States, inflation rate year to year. Then on Thursday, you're going to have PPI and Fetcher Powell is going to have a speech. And then on Friday, we're going to have retail sales, which could influence the market. So we're going to categorize the economic events as medium risk in the markets. Now, if you take a look at technicals, the chart goes as following. RSI is at 46, which is going to rate as medium risk for further price decline, and the MACD signal, which is currently trying to trigger, coming back from a sell and trying to trigger a buy with a negative 3.4 and a negative 2.05 on the red line, just a slight delta of minus 0.55. So this indicates that a buy signal could be triggered in the short term. So we're going to categorize this as a low risk currently. The current PE ratio of 32.18 and a over, which is greater than 25, a overall or a medium market PE. Also, IBM's median PE sits around the 20 mark range, maximum of 20. So this is going to tell us that although it has a higher than average PE, I would consider this as a medium risk. We should also take into consideration that buybacks are currently in place, and this is going to lower our risk level. We're going to consider this as a low risk for a further price decline. Taking a look at the market forecast, the market is forecasting a over 1 year growth rate of average 6.54%, which is below the average of, let's just say, 8% with a 2% correction of inflation. But at the moment, actually, inflation is at 3%. So let's say that a 6.55% for the next year, the entire year that is a pretty underperforming return for IBM. But they do have an ex-dividend date of tomorrow. So at the current price, I would say that IBM is an interesting enough stock to buy, but for the short term. For the long term, I would consider it to maximally hold, but don't sell. Now, this is only my opinion, but please do your own research on IBM and let me hear what you think about the stock in the comment section below. Also, check out the entire article on my Substack. And with this being said, share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.